Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between LinkMiner and Browse AI. We want to see which SEO tool wins. SEO warriors, do you need to spy on backlinks or scrape data like a pro? Today we are putting LinkMiner and Browse AI in the ring. We want to see which tool deserves your cash. Let's find out fast. When it comes to main use, LinkMiner is for backlink analysis and competitor research, while Browse AI is for web scraping and automation. When we look at ease of use, LinkMiner is simple and has Chrome extension, while Browse AI requires setup but is powerful. When we look at what they are best for, LinkMiner is best for SEOs who need quick backlink checks, while Browse AI is best for developers and data extractors. When we look at pricing, LinkMiner has a free limited plan and paid plans, while Browse AI is subscription based. When we look at automation, LinkMiner has manual checks, while Browse AI is fully automated. It has fully automated data scraping. When we look at speed, LinkMiner has instant results. It gives instant results, while Browse AI is slower, but actually depends on the task. Lastly, when we look at accuracy, LinkMiner is reliable for backlinks, while Browse AI is great for structured data. So, if you like backlinks, LinkMiner is your quick draw tool. But if you need automated data scraping, Browse AI is the tool you need. So which one do you use? Find it out in the comments. Smash like and subscribe for more SEO tool battles.